Good morning. In my previous video, I've shown you a few workouts that I've done. I've not showed you a complete routine or I have not given you a complete workout plan. But today, before we even give you a workout plan, which will happen in future, today let's talk about what is workout. Why do we have to work out and what happens if we work out? So it's going to be a really fun, interesting, knowledgeful video that you all get to see. But yeah, let's get started. So basically, my goal when I started to work out was basically I want to get thin, I want to look fitter. That is the only goal that I had. But it is more than that. Even if you are a person who started working out because you want to look thin or you want to lose weight or you want to just get fit, this is not just about it. It is a compounding of a lot of subjects like how your body functions, how it heals, and also how it will survive in a longer run. The exercises that you do basically will impact your brain, your health, your hormones, your digestion, your immunity, and even your emotions. So basically, when you're working out, you're telling your body that you have to adapt, you have to become stronger and function better. So, in technical terms, what actually happens when we work out? Firstly, muscle activation and micro tears. Now, let me explain. Micro tears is even if it's a micro tear, it's kind of a scary thing. But let me explain this. When you exercise or when you strength train, your muscle experiences a tiny micro tear. This is not a bad thing, it's a good thing, in fact. So, when there's a tear in your body due to this strength training, it basically will signal your body to repair itself. And during this repair, your body basically will get stronger and your muscles will grow stronger, denser, and even more toned. And in technical terms, this is called muscle hypertrophy. It's usually said that workout will break your muscle and rest will rebuild it even stronger. And secondly, you will have improvised metabolism and fat loss. Your strength training will build muscle and muscles will burn even more calories even if you're resting. And your cardios will start improving fat usage as your fuel. And this is why workouts help you even when you're not exercising. Your workouts will strengthen your heart muscle, your blood circulation, and even oxygen delivery to your cells. You'll have hormonal balance, your brain health and mental health will get even more stronger. Basically, everything that you can name, all of your problems will get better only because if you start working out. I've told this so many times. People keep asking, I have hair loss, my nails doesn't grow properly, I'm not that glowy in skin. All of it only happens if you work out properly. Now I want to touch on a topic where a lot of people don't talk about. Why is muscle recovery that important? Your muscles won't grow when you're working out, okay? They only grow during the rest and recovery, like I already mentioned. Basically, when you work out, your muscles are stressed and they're also damaged. But when you rest after working out, your body tissues start to recover. It's been repaired and it builds stronger fibers. But if you don't rest, if you don't have that recovery, there are a lot of risk in injuries. So, as much as you work out, it's also important to take rest so that your body recovers. Maybe you'll work out for an hour, you need some rest so that your body will come back to normal. It repairs everything that is torn apart. There's only a tiny tear, so you won't know much. So if you're not resting and you're still working out to lose weight in just like 1 week, 10 days, that's not possible, and you'll be more prone to injuries. So take it on a longer run. I always say this: your fitness is a lifestyle, it's not a goal. So it could have goals. Like I have a goal. My fitness goal is to be in between 45 to 55 kgs, because that is the weight to my age that I'm supposed to be into my height. That is the exact weight I should be in. So I'm working towards it. I'm not forcing it into I should get 55 kgs in 7 days. No, that's not possible. And even if you start watching videos that says I will make you lose your fat in 5 days, in 10 days, in 1 month, it's bullshit. It's just a trap. It's just to get more audience watch it. But you have to take this very seriously. It's getting, this could be controversial, but it's getting very normal to have lots of fats that's stored in our body. But it's not good, guys. It's not good. You know it, I know it. We're just normalizing it so that we feel better. But that's not the point. That's not what we have to move towards, right? You know that, I know that, and we have to work towards a fitter, to a healthier, to a glowful us in the end of the day. So this is a longer run. So if you're somebody who wants to lose weight in 2 days, I'm not the person, guys. I'm going to give you fitness advices my entire life. So there's so much to learn about fitness for you all, for me as well. I don't know a lot of things, you don't know a lot of things. Let's learn together. And I've already told in so many of my videos, if you have not bought a gym subscription, it's not a big deal, you can do home workouts. But if you are capable of buying that gym membership, if you want to go to that aerobics classes, if you want to go to that contemporary classes, if you want to do the dance workouts, if you just want to dance, do it. Do any which way to keep your body active. If you're a sports person, go play sports 1 hour a day. 1 hour a day is not enough. At least you can start with half an hour and then move towards 1 hour. So it need not be very stressful in the beginning. You have to do something that will be sustainable for the rest of your life. Even if I'm starting a YouTube channel, I'm a content creator, can I do this for the rest of my life? My answer would be yes, because I've learned so much in all these years, and I think this is the platform that will grow tremendously in future. And I think I can do this. That is why I'm doing this. It's not about showing up every day and giving you advice. It's not about oh, I'm not getting any audience who's going to watch this, let me just leave it. No. What if I get famous someday and people love to watch my videos and I've only made 2 videos? Right, they have a stack of videos they can watch and everything that they can benefit from. If you have watched all of these videos that I've made, then you have learned so many recipes already, and there's a lot more to come. I want to share all the high protein, low calorie, low carbs recipes that could be helpful for you all. And also, eating a lot of protein, right? It's a big deal now, it's a trend now. So stop going towards the trend and walk in your lane. Your lane is to get fit on a sustainable, healthy, longer run. And you have to keep that in your mind. Now, there will be another trend which has happened previously, keto diet, which has happened previously, intermittent fasting. All of these are trends. It will come and go. There's another trend that's going to come tomorrow, but your lane is going to be the same. Maybe you can adapt that, you can learn about that. If you want to implement it, you can implement it. It's not a wrong thing, but don't fall for in, don't fall for trends. Don't go towards the other lane. Don't get diverted. Your life is this, you need to go like this to achieve that. I hope that's all clear now. You don't have to always go towards a trend. And there's always a peer pressure, or there's always a digital pressure, I think. When somebody is doing the trend, everybody wants to do the trend. No, you don't have to. You can be unique, just like me, just like you. So we are all different. We are all different. Our bodies are different. Our looks are different. Our hair type is different. Our genes are absolutely different. It's beautiful how we are. It's beautiful how you are. So appreciate that. Be grateful for that, and always stay grounded. No matter how far you go in life, always stay grounded. That's all. That's what something that I always say. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.